to this video, I will discussing the nutritional requirements and development. So, the qualitative nutritional requirements of insects have been extensively studied, revealing that these share similar needs for around 30 essential chemicals, which include proteins, essential amino acids, vitamins, and various growth factors. Then, so we have the essential nutrients, the proteins and amino acids. We have insects require a balanced intake of proteins where are crucial for growth and various physiological functions. They need approximately 10 essential amino acids: arginine, histidine, isoleucine, lysine, methionine. You have the phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine. This absence of any of these can hinder growth and development in species like Pectinophora, Gossipilla, and Apis mellifera. Then we have the vitamins. The B vitamin complex is vital for insect health, including biotin, folic acid, nicotinic acid, pantothenic acid. We have the pyridoxine, riboflavin, and thiamine. Then we have the fat-soluble vitamins and sterols. The cholesterol or similar phytosterols are necessary for various biological functions. Some insects can synthesize certain fatty acids but still require specific dietary fats for optimal health. Then we have the dietary balance. The balance of this nutrient is critical, and imbalance can lead to impaired growth or development. Insects may adapt to dietary deficiencies by altering food intake or switching to different food source that better meet their nutritional needs. For example, is predator insects typically require higher protein levels compared to phytophagous insects that require more carbohydrates. Then we have the nutritional requirements. The nutritional requirements of entomophagous insects, which feed on other insects, exhibit similarities to those of non-entomophagous species, a concept referred to as the role of seminis by House in 1977. This principle has been validated through various studies involving parasitic and predaceous insects. Then, research indicates that certain essential nutrients such as amino acids and B-complex vitamins are crucial for larval development. For instance, studies with Ethoplectes conquistor and Exertes ruberator showed partial larval growth even on diets deficient in essential amino acids. Then next is the quantitative balance of different nutrients, which is the balance of nutrients is crucial for the dietary acceptability and sustainability for insects, particularly those that are parasitic or predaceous. These insects primarily consume animal-based foods which are high in protein but low in carbohydrates and fats. Research by Thompson indicates that parasitoids such as Exertes ruberator have a significant protein and amino acid requirement. For instance, at a 6% amino acid level, larvae can develop without glucose or fatty acids, but survival improves with glucose when amino acids levels drop to 3%. At 1% amino acids, development fats, cooking carbohydrates. Then, according to Thompson, 1983, investigated that influence of nutritional balance on the larval growth of Brachymeria lassos Walker using various media compositions. The study tested media containing glucose at concentrations ranging from 0% to 10%. combined with amino acids at levels of 1% to 8%, while maintaining a constant presence of 15% albumin and 2.5% lipids. Then, according to House 1966, conducted research on the nutritional requirements of the Dipteran agria Hausi sewell, revealing that its growth and survival were maximized when all nutrients were proportionately increased from a basal diet containing specific levels of amino acids. We have the 2.25% salts, 0.05% lipids, and other ingredients including glucose, ribonucleic acid, vitamins, and agar. We have the non-nutritional factors significantly influence food acceptance and ingestion, encompassing both physical properties like form and textures as well as non-nutritive chemicals that trigger specific behavioral and physiological responses. In conclusion, understanding the nutritional requirements of insects is essential for both ecological and agricultural perspectives. Research indicates that insects share similar qualitative nutritional needs, requiring approximately 30 essential chemicals, including proteins, essential amino acids, vitamins, minerals, and energy source from carbohydrates and lipids. These nutrients play critical roles in various physiological functions such as growth, metabolism, and reproduction. So that is all, and thank you.